My name's Dr. Christina Rahm, and I created the EllaPure skincare line. I love skincare. I used to work at a company called Biogen Idec, and I worked with dermatologists and immunologists and all kinds of specialists, and I loved working on the skin. We worked with rare diseases, and we tried to help with different things with human monoclonal antibodies. I then started working on things as a formulator and scientist in a lab and helping other scientists develop skincare products. I finally was able to create my own under my own label, and we launched a lot of it at the Root brands. It was important to me to create a line that didn't just make people look better. I wanted to make people healthier, and I wanted to impact prevention and wellness. This is something I use on my own skin. People ask me all the time, what kind of skincare do you use? And this is my answer. I use EllaPure. I hope you do too.